Welcome to our home at Casa del Fuego in the Dominican Republic. I've been planting an extensive garden. When we first arrived on this property, only this pine tree, as well as what you can just barely see over there of the palm tree. These were the only few things that were in the garden. This was a cow field. Everything I have done, I have planted from scratch. Now, I'm a very big believer in permaculture, and it's about creating walkways and access to the garden, about creating terraces to, again, gain access and control the flow of water, and how you can fertilize using the chop and drop in permaculture. And so I have been very actively involved in taking down some of the trees to build my fertilizer. And so busy doing that right now as winter is coming. December is not far away. And I want the whole winter for all of these various limbs that I'm taking down of different trees to be able to decompose and put nutrients back. This is all about building soil and creating biodiversity in the garden. So give me a chance to go and get some work done. It's actually quite tricky working over on this roof. And how do I move around safely, cautiously, working with the chainsaw, not doing damage. This is one of the branches that I've already cut. So one of the methods of taking all of these limbs, it is building these onto the edge to form a terrace and bringing as much material in as possible to stack in position so that all of this just ends up building a lot of biomass. And the whole idea is the more biomass that can decompose and decay over time, the more I can feed my various plants. Look at this pomelo, quite a few pounds of weight, maybe 3 pounds of weight in it. And so that biomass is what's going to break down and build soil, fertile soil with worms and compost. And so all of these tree cuttings and various other what would be classified as weeds, just cutting them, not pulling them, are so critical in how I'm going to be able to get this garden to be stronger, healthier, and in time more productive. It's also a lot of work, it's a lot of fun, and it's about being cautious in how I do things in the process.